This brand is from Vessing Company Limited and is available at Best Buy and their Amazon store. The units have an air quality sensor that can control the 3-speed fan when the units are in the auto mode and provides a 4-color indicator of air quality as well as a number on the display. Their AirSight Plus technology uses a 3-channel laser dust detector to more accurately detect the room air quality, and the units are Wi-Fi enabled so that they can be controlled by the VSync app as well as through voice commands from Alexa or Google. The units are backed by a good warranty that includes a 30-day money-back guarantee. The EverestAir model has adjustable vent louvers to direct the air and a 558 square feet coverage area with a 360 CFM delivery rate. The core models are available in 4 sizes to match the needs of the room, and the core mini units include aromatherapy pads for essential oils, and they are available in either white or black finishes. The Vital 200S is a good choice for those with pets in the home, as they have a U-shaped air inlet to prevent pet fur clogs and a pet mode where the unit alternates between medium and high speeds for cleaner air. They have a 380 square feet coverage area with a 245 CFM delivery rate and a noise rating that is well below the level of adult conversation even when the unit is running in high speed. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.